Hello viewers, today we will see what is safety equipment in the drilling rigs. So see all of you here. PPE, personal protective equipment, emergency washing station, escape, evacuation, rescue, omnidirectional, foghorn, personal lifting devices, firefighting system, and the last one is safety devices. So what is PPE? Personal protective equipment. So what are the mandatory things you should wear before you entering to do any job? So see, this is the list of PPE. Safety helmet, safety gloves, safety boots, ear protection, eye protection. For welding should have separate coverall, blanket. For handling chemicals you should have separate PPE. For oil based mud and brine you should have separate one. Safety belts, explosion proof hand torches, and wind socks. So what are these? What are these explosion proof hand torches? Why we need to use this type of explosion proof hand torches? So see, so why we are using explosion proof hand torches? Because when we are working in the very high dangerous place like the gas H2S is presented, maybe whenever there is a leak from the well or maybe oil base using time, very hot temperature of the mud or maybe gas have, at that time when you use torchlight then it cause explosion. So to avoid that one we will use explosion proof. That means if you use that one also it will not affect on the what is the process which is going. As well as similarly like switches also, mobile phones also, they are using explosion proof. And wind sources. So wind sources plays very predominant role in not only in the drilling industry, all over the industries which involves the dangerous gases present. So because whenever you see wind direction, with the help of wind socks you can go to the upwind direction. In every rig there are two muster points are available. One is in upward wind direction, another one is downwind direction. So based upon the site specific plan, they will decide where we have to put muster point 1 and the muster point 2. So by seeing the wind direction with the help of wind socks you can move to the safest place of the muster point. And you see here for oil base and the mud and brine also you should have separate coveralls. The coveralls are different from that the normal coveralls. Okay, and the remaining all, I hope you know that helmet you should you use your head as a safe by using helmets. Gloves whenever using your hands to avoid pinch points or maybe crushing, rolling, pitching, whatever the operation you are doing, most of the times you are using your hands as a tools, right? So if you lose any limb of your finger or maybe anything, that is very valuable. So you should use all the times gloves. Don't remove your gloves, as well as safety boots whenever you are working in any slippery area or maybe any tidy area, oily area, grease area, wherever you are working. If you are not using your boot then you may fall. Ear protection whenever you go into a heavy noise area, because all the whenever the equipment is running then there is a problem. If it is absent there is no problem, but rig 24/7 it always run. Because of that continuously hearing then it causes ear damage. So to avoid that one you should have earplugs. And eye protection. What the use of eye protection? We see So when we are working in that such type of environment, always wear the safety goggles, that is safety glasses. So if you are not using safety glasses, then you have to pay for that one, because eye is very very important. Not only eye, whatever the parts we have in our body are very very valuable, and this is the PPE. So see here, yellow color helmet. After the in right side there is a boot, and downside coverall. Left side of that coverall is a safety belt, gloves, headphones, and glasses, safety glasses. So this is the information of the PPE. And later, emergency washing station. So when we use emergency washing station, whenever let's suppose mostly these emergency washing stations are used by direct man, who is the person is the supervisor for the mud circulation system. He is always taking care about his mud whenever he go to mixing with the help of roaster oats. So whenever you want to go and mix the caustic soda or maybe any chemicals which can cause hazard to him, then the person should be in very very cautious. If he is not in good focus, not recommended to do work. Take some time after you do work, but if it is an emergency, you should have to do by taking care of yourself. So maybe sometimes by using your common sense you may do all the things, but sometimes it may not, because sometimes you forget something and you will start operation. After that malfunction, it cause any incident. If it's a very bad result it is giving, it became an accident. So see here, there is a shower station is available, and then right side is the eye washing station is also available. So why you are using shower station and the eye washing station? So let me tell you one example of the mud systems direct man. So one time I see one direct man when he is mixing caustic soda buckets. Many times he mixed, but there is no problem. But sometimes by the person supervisor coming to him and giving orders, at that time you want to mix the caustic soda. So at that time sometimes their mind not in the presence of what they are doing. So at that time they are close the wall and they will put inside the caustic soda bucket into the barrel. After that you open the wall, but he is not noticed that what is the wall is open, connected to the pipe is not in good condition. It is like closed somewhere, it creating a pressure. After he is noticing the direct man, he releases that pressure and suddenly it will go to the caustic mud bucket. Then immediately what happens, that cover of that caustic bucket is out and it splashes away. Then as a result it is very very serious damage caused to the derrick man. At that time he will run away and remove his coverall and comes to downside of the shower station. So he will open the shower, then he will remove his coverall everything, and he will start rushing towards to the medic. So because first aid, that is the one incident I have seen. And eye washing station, what the use of eye washing station? Whenever we are dealing with the chemicals like brine or maybe NaCl or maybe calcium chloride, whatever the chemicals which cause skin irritation, so we should have take care about our eyes. Always we should have to wear the glasses. Even in sometimes we are using glasses, but in the form of vapors also they will come and touch us the contact of our eye. So to avoid that one, we have to use the eye washing station. Always we have to check our shower station and eye washing station fill with the full of water. Never neglect these things, because these are very very valuable. And friends, okay. And next is escape, evacuation and rescue. First of all, we should have to notice the what is the situation is happening there. If it possible to us to escape, first we have to escape. but before escaping we have to give a signal to the people who are around to us. And next one, evacuation. So all the people should be go from there, that is called evacuation. And what is rescue? So if anyone is presented, if anyone is not knowing what is the thing is going there, so at that time we have to do rescue with the proper arrangement, with the proper equipment. If maybe something happens, someone is fall down in the water, then we should have to think before what we have to do. If we are blindly jumped into the water, if it's not possible to come back, then you will also lose your life. So before you are doing rescue, you should know what are the risks are involved. After that one, you have to take care your personal protective equipment, and then you have to do rescue. Until you don't do any rescue, you can give a signal to another trained person, they will go and do the rescue. So these are the life jackets where whenever you are working, or maybe whenever you are traveling in the sea journey, or maybe a journey by the boat, live boats, whenever you are going, if any emergency condition, they will use the live boats. So this is the information of. And next is personal lifting devices. So man riding, what is man riding? Is the equipment used to lift the personnel. After few accidents happened in the oil field, it has been decided to build a specific tool for man lifting. It can pull a maximum weight of 150 kgs, otherwise it stops itself. So that is what man riding. This is inside. See right side there is a one called baskets. So this is called man baskets. They are using 4 to 5 people. They will hang over their man basket, then it transported from one place to another place. So man baskets are more safer than the man riding winch. Okay, and this is the information of the what we have discussed. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. For more videos, you can comment and you can share, and we are always accepting your valuable comments. Thank you.